Here's a quick tutorial on the fastest way to ruin your 20s, which will lead you towards ruining your entire life. So let's begin. Step 1. Never bother with the hassle of planning your life. Setting goals is for those ambitious overachievers who believe in things like purpose and direction. Embrace the chaos, let life surprise you, and enjoy the thrill of never knowing where you're headed. After all, who needs a roadmap when you can take the beautiful route to nowhere? Step 2. Postpone tasks until the last minute. Enjoy the adrenaline rush of impending deadlines. Why rush through life when you can taste the sweet flavor of procrastination? Become the undisputed champion of putting things off. Who cares about productivity? Procrastination is an art form. Consider yourself a master painter. Step 3. Say goodbye to those annoying healthy fruits and vegetables. Your body will surely thank you for the constant influx of fast food and sugary delights. Health is overrated. Exercise is for people who have time to spare. Why bother when you can indulge in the pure joy of lazy living? The only six-pack you need is in the fridge. Step 4. Stick to what you know, even if it's outdated and irrelevant. Who has the time or energy to learn new things? Refuse to adapt to the ever-changing world. After all, who needs those so-called skills when you can rely on your charm and outdated knowledge? Learning is for those who enjoy progress. You're here for the vintage vibe. Step 5. Why save when you can live the high life on borrowed cash? Credit cards are your new best friends. They're practically giving away free money. Accumulate debt like it's a badge of honor and watch your financial stability crumble. Financial responsibility is for those who don't appreciate the thrill of debt-induced adrenaline rushes. Step 6. Choosing a partner who constantly brings drama and chaos into your life is the real key to happiness. Who needs peace and harmony? Forget about compatibility, respect, and emotional well-being. A toxic relationship will keep you on your toes, always second-guessing. Who wants stability anyway? Emotional roller coasters are the pinnacle of a fulfilling existence. Make sure your partner is an expert in emotional manipulation. Gaslighting should be a daily occurrence, and passive-aggressive comments should become your love language. After all, what's love without a side of mind games? And don't even think about setting healthy boundaries. Those are for people who want boring, drama-free lives. Step 7. Never bother with the hassle of physical activity. Your couch is your kingdom, and the remote control is your scepter. Let those gym enthusiasts break a sweat. You've got a permanent butt imprint to maintain. Who needs endorphins when you can have the sweet embrace of your favorite snacks? Become one with your couch, transforming into the ultimate potato. Forget about the countless benefits of exercise. Improved mood, increased energy, and overall health. Opt for a stationary lifestyle. It's the path to true enlightenment. Let those muscles shrink. It's a small price to pay for the pure joy of binge-watching every series known to humankind. Your body is a temple, and that temple is dedicated to the art of doing absolutely nothing. Remember, the less you move, the more your couch appreciates you. Step 8. Don't bother building a network when you can have your own little island of isolation. Networking is just a fancy term for pretending to like people you barely know. Who needs career opportunities, collaborations, or friends in high places when you can have your cat as your sole confidant? Remember, in the world of success, it's not about who you know, it's about who you don't. Step 9. Remember that complaining is a sport and you're the undisputed champion. Positivity is for those who can't handle the harsh realities of life. Why enjoy the sunshine when you can complain about the heat? Turn every silver lining into a cloud and watch as people wonder at your ability to find the negative in everything. Remember, complaining is not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle choice, and you're the trendsetter. Step 10. Forget about that boring 8 hours of sleep. Real champions survive on caffeine and the emotional roller coaster of TV dramas. Who needs a consistent sleep schedule when there's an endless supply of streaming services offering a variety of shows and movies? Sleep is for the weak. Life's too short to waste time in the land of dreams. Let the blue light from your screens be your guiding star, leading you through the night and into the glorious world of tomorrow, where you'll undoubtedly repeat this cycle with pride. Step 11. In the age of memes and 280-character wisdom, who has time to explore profound ideas and nuanced perspectives? Reading books might broaden your horizons, enhance your vocabulary, and give you a deeper understanding of the world. But who needs that when you can scroll through endless streams of cat memes and celebrity gossip? Intellectual growth is vastly overrated, my friend. Step 12. Never admit you're wrong. Apologizing is a sign of weakness. It's a slippery slope to humility. Remember, you're flawless, and if someone has an issue with you, it's clearly their problem. Saying sorry is for those who have time to consider the impact of their actions, not for someone as busy and important as yourself. Step 13. Change is like a roller coaster, exhilarating for some, terrifying for you. Why risk the comfort of your well-established routine for the unknown horrors that change might bring? Stay snug in your cocoon of predictability, where every day is a carbon copy of the last. The mere thought of growth and evolution should send shivers down your spine. Remember, the world is full of unpredictable twists and turns, so it's better to cling desperately to what you know. Who needs personal development when you can have the stale security of the familiar? Change is overrated. Familiarity is the real spice of life. Step 14. Make sure your self-worth is solely determined by the number of likes, comments, and shares you get on your social media posts. Forget about those minor things like personal accomplishments or genuine happiness. True joy comes from the validation of virtual strangers who may or may not actually care about you. Your worth is measured in pixels and emojis. So, remember, if they don't double tap, your existence might just crumble. Who needs a sense of self when you can have a sea of anonymous followers telling you what to do? And I am sure these 14 steps are not enough for you, so I want to give you my favorite bonus step. Don't share this video with anyone. Keep it to yourself. No, don't share it with your friend or any cousin or any other family member, because this might improve their lives. And most importantly, don't watch this next video on screen, because this video will show you how you are way more attractive than those seemingly perfect Instagram models. So don't watch it. It will give you confidence. It will give you the hidden perspective to see yourself that you were missing.